Let's download and set up the Tor browser for safe browsing. Head over to the official Tor project website, torproject.org. Click on Download Tor Browser. You can download Tor Browser for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. I'm going to select Windows because my system has Windows. You can choose whichever OS you have. Once the download has completed, open the file and proceed to install it. Check the Run Tor Browser option and finish the setup. Select the Always Connect Automatically option, then Configure Connection. Go to Privacy and Security and scroll to Security and select the safest option. As you can see, it disables JavaScript on all websites, and you might not get some fonts, icons, symbols, etc., but it's good for security. You can select Block Dangerous and Deceptive Content option below. On the search option, you can change the default search engine, if you know what you're doing, or else leaving it as is best. Now go to Homepage and connect to Tor. Now, before we jump in, it's essential to understand the risks and dangers associated with browsing the dark web. People use the Tor browser to access it because it provides anonymity and privacy, making it ideal for whistleblowers, activists, and those seeking to evade government surveillance. You might encounter illegal marketplaces selling drugs, weapons, and stolen data to stumbling upon disturbing content, so proceed with caution. On Tor Circuit, you can see the traffic. Now let's go to a website called the Hidden Wiki. On this website, you can see links to dark websites. But beware of the frauds and scams, as there are scams on the dark web, and only visit the websites that are there for a long time and trusted. Now let's go to another website called deepweblinks.net. On this website, you can find many search engines for dark web, which would be enough to get started. Torch is one of the best search engines for starters. While this is completely fine, you can add another layer of security by connecting to a VPN. Some people may say that a VPN is not good for browsing dark web, but I think it's mostly because it makes the connection even slower. But if you have a good internet connection, it doesn't matter much, I guess. Lastly, be anonymous and don't share your personal information on any websites.